powerful techniques that are going to help you to expand your vocal range. Now, you are so excited. You want to explore new songs. You want to get new songs that are above what you've been doing regularly and sing higher, or you want to get new songs that actually make you to sing lower. Don't worry, I'm going to share 3 powerful techniques that once you master these techniques, you will see that you can be able to expand your range safely. I mean safely, because when I'm talking about safely, you need not to push beyond your vocal limit, what your voice can do, but you can actually safely expand your range so you can be able to do those songs that you love and you feel you can sing and you have the ability to sing. I want to thank all those people who have been subscribing to my channel, who have been liking, who have been commenting. Thank you very much. And to you who is joining my channel for the first time, see, this channel will change your singing life. If you are a singer, you need to be on this channel. And if you know a singer, they need to be on this channel every day to learn something new about their voice. So if you're just joining us, click the subscribe button, click the like button, click the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel, because in this channel we'll be sharing tips on how to help you become a better singer. I'm going to be sharing with you 3 powerful techniques that I often make sure that my students learn that help them to be able to expand their vocal range safely. Are you ready? Let's get started. First things first, I want to explain what vocal range means. When we talk about vocal range, we mean a span of notes from your lowest pitch to your highest pitch. Let's try this. Tell me the highest your voice can reach and the lowest your voice can go. Once you know you can go, please stop. Let's try this exercise. Now, you've learned your vocal range, right? But now, being able to expand this range will make you flexible and even make you versatile to pick new songs that you were not able to sing before. The first technique is breathing technique. Proper breathing technique is very important for a singer. As a singer, you need to make sure you breathe properly. Try breathing with diaphragmatic breathing. You breathe in from the space created by your diaphragm out of your body, and that breath will be converted into sound by phonation. And one way to do it is to keep practicing diaphragmatic breathing so that you can strengthen your breathing, your breath support. Visualize the air coming out from your lungs as you breathe in and out. When you do your breathing exercises regularly, I bet you that is going to really help you to expand your range. The second powerful technique that I'm going to share with you is vocal exercises. Many people underestimate the power of vocal exercises. Vocal exercises does a whole lot. If you want to expand your range, you have to do vocal exercises. And it's not just random vocal exercises you see anywhere you pick and use it. No, it has to be vocal exercises that is created to help to expand your range. An example of vocal exercises you can do are can do this every day until you can comfortably sing 2 octaves. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re. Do, mi, so, do, so, mi, do. It will help you to expand your range. You can always save this video and come back and watch it and keep doing it until you start seeing results as your range is expanded. Don't expect it to happen overnight. It can happen gradually. It's a gradual process. So be gentle with your voice. All right, let's move to the third technique. The third powerful technique is your transition between registers. Practice these exercises that I just gave you regularly. You need to learn how to transition smoothly from your chest register to your mix to your head register. Because or from your head to your mix to your chest, or from your chest to your head. Just how do you transition from one register to another? Once you are able to master that technique, you will see that it will help you to expand your vocal range safely. When you're moving from your chest register, everything is smooth. To your head register, it is very smooth. That technique alone can help to expand your vocal range and also help you to access more notes in your range. If you really want to expand your vocal range, just add all these techniques that I have shared with you in your daily practice routine, such that every time you are practicing with these techniques that I have showed you, and I bet you, before you know it, those songs that were very difficult for you to sing will just come out as simple as ever, because your range now is able to sing those songs. I did a case study of 2 of my singing students who moved from limited vocal range to limitless vocal range. If you want to see how they were able to do it, how they were able to move from their limited vocal range into a case of limitless vocal range, that they can be able to do a whole lot with their voice, then you need to check this next video out. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell. Keep singing and keep exploring the possibilities that your voice can do. See you in the next video. Mwah.